This rally is a protest against our corrupt politicians who have lost all the sense of sensitivity by making such callous comments where such a big tragedy has happened, and they simply think that the situation is very small, and it's really disheartening. And this rally, at least I'm protesting against them. I just want to tell the public that now make your votes count, because these are the people all of us have been electing. It's time for us to elect the right people, have the right people at the right post, and see that those people are responsible for every Indian and every citizen in Mumbai. See, these things, terrorism is a global threat. There has been some lapse somewhere in our intelligence structure which has led to this, which I believe that there have been a lot of warnings regarding it. The politicians should have, if there was a terrorist warning, our politicians should have been very careful about it, should have taken extra care of Mumbai as a city, the commercial hub, and they should have made the necessary security measures which are completely missing. Our police officers are not armed enough to tackle any terrorist. Even if anybody with an AK-47 comes, what do they have? 303 rifles? This is the security they're providing us. So there is a problem. There is a security issue which has to be addressed, and the politicians should be pulled up for them, and especially for the callous remarks. It's such a big tragedy, and all over India, these politicians are just making callous remarks without caring about the sensitivity of the people.
We're here for a pro-peace march, and that's the most important thing. Ye bahut zaruri hai. Anybody, by God's grace, we're here, come together in love. You see to our left right now, there's some political stuff going on. It's not proper. We come together in peace. My own humble message is, Mumbai Indian people are so beautiful, bahut pyar. So keep it strong, stay together and be positive. That's all I say.
This protest is all about talking too much and doing nothing. According to me, there are very easy methods. यहाँ पर जो सारे आम आदमी हैं, वो उनको भी पूछोगे तो बोलेंगे कि क्या कर सकते हैं और क्या नहीं कर सकते हैं. इतना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मैटर बिल्कुल नहीं है. अगर आप वायलेंस चाहते हैं तो वायलेंस भी मिल सकता है, और अगर आप वायलेंस नहीं चाहते हैं तो भी बहुत सारे चीजें हैं जो आप कर सकते हैं.
It's a aggression movement, और हम लोग अभी बहुत नाराज हैं और बहुत अग्रेसिव हैं गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज लेकर, क्योंकि अभी बहुत हो चुका, और अभी वक्त आ गया है कि वो जवाब दें. और हमारे देश पे ये अभी जिम्मेदारी है कि वो हमारा पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर हमें पाकिस्तान से वापस लेके दे, जहां पर नफरत और मौत की खेती हो रही है.
हमें पाकिस्तान में जहां पर टेररिस्ट कैंप है, जहां पर टेररिस्ट को ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है, उस कैंप को जड़ से हटाया जाए. ये हमारी मांग है, ये हमारी डिमांड है, ये हमारी जिद है. और एक इंसान जो यहाँ पे खड़ा है वो यही चाहता है कि उस टेररिस्ट कैंप को जड़ से हटाया जाए, वरना हम टैक्स नहीं भरेंगे.
हम लोगों का कैंपेन कहता है कि if you want a change, if you want to see the change, be the change. That is ठीक है, पॉलिटिशियन गलत है, सब कुछ जो हुआ वो गलत ही हुआ, बट डेफिनेटली एक नॉर्मल सिटीजन को भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज्यूम करनी ही पड़ेगी. हम सिर्फ उंगलियां नहीं उठा सकते हैं, हमें भी थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करना पड़ेगा. अगर एक मिनिस्टर करप्ट होता है, ब्राइबरी लेके अगर वो बम फूटने देता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं छोटे मोटे लेवल पे हम लोग भी ब्राइबरी दे रहे हैं. मुझे ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस जब चाहिए था तो मैंने भी 500 रुपए दिए ही थे. तो जिस दिन मैं बदल जाऊंगी तो शायद एक चेंज चलेगी और मिनिस्टर्स भी बदल जाएंगे. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है, मैं कहूंगी कि इफ यू वांट टू सी द चेंज, बी द चेंज.
मौका ऐसा है वेयर एवरीबडी बिलीव्स इन रेटोरिक्स. हम सब पॉलिटिशियंस को गाली देते हैं, सिस्टम को गाली देते हैं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को गाली देते हैं, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर एनफोर्समेंट अथॉरिटीज को गाली देते हैं. कुछ हद तक सही है, बट वो लोग जो वहां उस औहदे पे बैठे हैं, हमने ही उनको चुन के भेजा है, तो कहीं ना कहीं हम भी जिम्मेदार हैं. शायद हमें ये वक्त आ गया है दैट वी शुड एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट इन पॉलिटिक्स. हमें उसमें शामिल होके कुछ काम करना चाहिए, कुछ बदलाव लाना चाहिए।
पॉलिटिशियन को एलियंस नहीं,
वरना
हमने
सिर्फ कंप्लेन करते रहने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा।
In the streets, people have the way of speaking their mind and freedom of speech.
Media, camera is on now.
Express their opinions and not just sit quietly and sit docile and say, "Arey, chale, ho sakte," because this isn't done. And the only way things will change is if people start voicing their opinion and speaking out and making a difference by their actions, not their words, and not violent actions, but by peaceful protests like this, by rallies like this, will gain the attention that they need. And from there on out, only the politicians and only the people that are leading the country need to listen, understand, and take action on what the public demand.
The protest is about, see, we have lost too many innocent people.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
This is the protest. We actually need justice for everybody who's lost their lives here. Not just that, we need justice for ourselves, for a safe Mumbai, where it's not right blaming the neighborhood countries because somewhere we lagged. We lagged in security. I want India to please wake up and fight against the corruption in the government rather than fighting between yourself. Please don't fight in between the castes. Please don't fight with each other. Fight with the government. Of course they are responsible. Our system is responsible. It was a system failure. And we should be angry with the system.